Hey CPAs, we all know that 2025 is just around the corner, and with it comes new challenges and opportunities in our field. Whether it's keeping up with evolving regulations, mastering new technologies, or staying ahead of business trends, there's so much we can do to make sure we're ready for what's next. And the best part, these changes aren't just hurdles, they're opportunities to sharpen your skills and bring even more value to your clients. And Surgent CPE has the perfect courses to help you do just that. Let's take a look at some of the most important skills you'll need to master for 2025. Skill 1, AI in auditing and compliance. First up, let's talk about AI, one of the most exciting and impactful skills CPAs can master heading into 2025. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming how we approach auditing, data analysis, and compliance. Surgent's Artificial Intelligence for Accounting and Finance Professionals, AIP2 course, dives deep into how AI can streamline your work, making audits more efficient and accurate than ever before. You'll learn about different forms of AI, how it impacts accounting and finance careers, and the role of algorithms in solving complex problems. The course also covers critical topics like data governance, security, and privacy, and explores how accounting firms are using AI today to provide more value for clients. Whether you're familiar with AI or new to technology, this course will give you a solid understanding of where we are today and where we're headed. AI is already making waves in our industry, and learning how to leverage it can be a game changer for your career. Surgent's course will give you the tools to stay ahead as AI continues to evolve. Skill 2, cybersecurity for financial professionals. With everything moving online, data security is more important than ever. Did you know that a typical internet-connected computer faces a cyber attack every 39 seconds? That's why understanding how to protect sensitive data, both your own and your clients', is a skill every CPA needs heading into 2025. Surgent's Data Security Best Practices to Protect Your Business and Yourself, DTS1. The course is designed to help CPAs understand and tackle the biggest data privacy risks we face today, including phishing, ransomware, and even bad password management. With remote and mobile workforces becoming the norm, it's more critical than ever to have the right security practices in place. The course covers best practices for securing your personal and business devices, creating strong passwords, and planning an effective approach to data security for both in-office and remote employees. Protecting your clients' data is not just a technical issue, it's an ethical responsibility. Surgent's course ensures that you'll be ready to keep your business and your clients safe from cyber threats in 2025 and beyond. Let's dive into one of the hottest topics out there, cryptocurrency. It's gone from niche to mainstream, and now more than 67 million people in the US hold Bitcoin alone. If you're a CPA, cryptocurrency isn't something you can afford to ignore anymore, especially with the virtual currency question now front and center on Form 1040. Surgent's Nuts and Bolts of Cryptocurrency Taxation, NBCT, the course walks you through everything you need to know to handle the tax implications of cryptocurrency transactions. From trading and mining to staking and spending, this course gives you a solid understanding of how taxes work for cryptocurrency investors and businesses. It even covers cutting-edge tools like CoinTracker to help calculate capital gains and losses efficiently. Whether it's tax planning opportunities like tax loss harvesting or understanding the rules around foreign reporting, this course ensures you're ready to help your clients navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency. Crypto is here to stay, and it's only getting bigger. With Surgent's Cryptocurrency Taxation course, you'll be equipped to serve clients confidently and stay ahead of evolving regulations in 2025. Now, let's talk about something critical: fraud detection. As the digital age evolves, so do the ways that fraud is committed. And as CPAs, we're on the front lines of preventing and detecting fraud. Whether it's financial misstatements, cybercrime, or internal fraud, staying sharp on these issues is essential. Surgent offers a wide range of fraud and forensics courses to help you strengthen your detection and prevention skills. From fraud risk assessment basics to more advanced courses like Winning the Fraud Battle in the Digital Age, Surgent has something for every level of expertise. Whether you're looking to assess risk during a financial statement audit or understand the psychology behind why fraud happens, Surgent's courses give you the tools to uncover and address potential fraud before it becomes a major issue. Skill 5, leadership and remote team management. As more companies embrace hybrid and fully remote work models, leadership is no longer just about what happens in the office. Being able to project professionalism and lead effectively in a virtual environment is now an essential skill for CPAs. Surgent's Remote Leadership and Virtual Meeting Mastery, RLVM, this course equips you with the tools to master leadership in a virtual setting. You'll learn how to create a professional virtual presence, manage distractions, and navigate everything from one-to-one discussions to group meetings with authority. This course also covers practical tips like setting up your technology, structuring your environment for success, and handling technical issues with ease, making sure every virtual meeting runs smoothly and professionally. With remote work here to stay, these skills will not only help you lead your team effectively, but also enhance your leadership presence, whether you're in the office or miles away. Surgent's course is the key to mastering this new way of working. Now, you might be thinking, that's a lot to take on, but don't worry, Surgent has you covered with their unlimited CPE subscriptions. With Unlimited Plus, you'll get access to every course Surgent offers, live webinars, on-demand courses, self-study options, and even gamified courses. For $899, you can cover all your CPE needs, including the ones we've talked about today. If you prefer webinars only, the Unlimited Webinars plan is available for $749, or Unlimited Self-Study is available for $549. It's flexible, it's affordable, and it's the easiest way to make sure you're ready for whatever 2025 throws your way. That's it. Those are the essential skills that every CPA should master as we head into 2025. Whether it's AI, cybersecurity, or leadership, Surgent CPE has a course to help you stay ahead of the curve. Visit surgentcpe.com to find the perfect courses for you and get ready to take your career to the next level. Thanks for watching.